I'm Vivian Howard, and we're making my roasted and fresh tomato pie. Tomato pie is like a traditional summertime picnic food. It's something that people lay awake at night thinking of. Tomatoes, sometime in my adolescence, changed, and they were, fibrous and dry and an awful texture. And then I discovered, Cherokee purples and German Johnsons, and it's really taken me back to my childhood, and I'm such a disciple for the heirloom tomato. I never even knew Southern food was a thing until I moved to New York and I started working in a restaurant that I had to come here to learn that Southern food was cool.